Welcome to Comply Relax. In this video, we will understand how to maintain related party details in Comply Relax and generate reports such as DIR8, MBP1, and related party reports. Comply Relax allows you to maintain all related party information at one centralized place. To begin, go to Dashboard, then click on Masters. Here you will see the Director Master option. Click on it. Here, in front of every director's name, you will find the related party option. The related party information maintained here is linked specifically to that director. For example, let's open the related party details of a director. Inside the related party module, you will see 4 sections: director interest, relatives of director, relative interests, and committee positions. In director interest, you can maintain the interest of the director in different entities. In relatives of director, you can add relatives of the director. In relative interest, you can maintain the interest of those relatives in different entities. And in committee positions, you can maintain details of committees in which the director is a member. Now let's understand the Director Interest tab. You will find 3 main options here: Add Related Party, Update from MCA, and Update from CR Data. In Add Related Party option, you can manually add related party entries. You can add details such as company, LLP, or individual, add other relevant details, and save the details. Please note, while adding or editing entries, always select the correct nature of interest. For example, if the person is only a director, select directorship. If the person is both director and shareholder, select director and shareholder. Otherwise, the shareholding details may not appear correctly in generated documents such as MBP1 or DII8. Next is Update from MCA. Using Update from MCA, the system automatically fetches directorships and designated partnerships in LLPs. Both present and past records are fetched directly from MCA. You can either import all fetched records at once or click on Clear All. Select specific records and click on Apply Selected. The selected entries will automatically update in the related party register. Next is Update from CR Data. This feature fetches shareholding details of the particular director from your existing records maintained in Comply Relax. For example, if the director is already added as a shareholder in any company maintained in Comply Relax, that information can also be imported here using this tab. You can select the required entries and click on Apply. The system also displays the last updated date, time, and the user who updated the records. This helps maintain proper tracking and audit trail. Entries highlighted in light gray indicate entities that are struck off. If there is any change in interest, click on the plus icon. Here, you can update changes in directorship or shareholding as the case may be. The system maintains a complete historical trail of all changes. You can also use the View option to see the complete history of interest changes. Please note, once an entity entry is created, avoid editing the original entry directly. For any future modifications, always use the plus icon for adding change of interest so that the complete audit trail is maintained properly. Once your data is finalized up to a particular date, you can lock the records. After locking, no further modifications can be made, data becomes view only, and the system records who locked the data and when. Only authorized users can unlock the records. Next is Relatives tab. Here, you can add particulars of the relatives of the director. You may select the relation type, enter name and identification details if available. You can add multiple relatives for a director using the Add More button. Next is Relative Interests tab. Here, you can maintain the interests of relatives in different entities. Simply select the relative, add the entity details, select the nature of interest, fill in the required details, and click on Submit to save the record. Editing and change tracking work the same way as in the Director Interest section. Next is Committee Position. If committee details are already maintained in Comply Relax, you can import them directly. Otherwise, you can manually add committee memberships here. Once all related party data is maintained, you can generate documents directly from the same page. For that, click on Back button, then click on DIR8/MBP1. Here, select Company and Director. Then choose the required option based on the document you want to generate. If you want to generate the director's interest or relative report, select the required option and enter the necessary details. For generating DIR8 or MBP1, enter the required details such as date, place, and other required particulars. Once all details are filled in, you can download the documents in both Word format and PDF format. This is how you can efficiently manage related party records and generate compliance documents using the Related Party Management module in ComplyRelax. Thank you for watching.